The 2010 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, airbags, four-wheel ABS, HomeLink garage door opener, floor mats, cruise control, auto-off headlights, front-wheel drive, security package, side airbag system. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Your new ride is just a phone call away.